In today's video, we're going to be looking at if you changed your screen resolution on your thin client and now a black screen appears. So we're going to be talking about two ways to fix this problem. If you know the IP address of the thin client, you can access the device configuration via web browser. Once you type in your IP address to your web browser, you should then get access to the thin client configuration. Once you are in the client configuration management console, you're going to then click on Display on the management menu. Then click Monitor, and you will see an edit option. Select Edit, and you will see a spot to change your resolution. If you do not know the IP address of your thin client, you will have to perform a factory reset. In the same thin client configuration management console, you will see Factory Defaults. Click on that and select Perform Factory Reset. For additional information on this problem, you can contact support@clearcube.com or give us a call.